Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today we are going to blur out a face in Premiere Pro. Just before we start, you can always blur other things as well, such as license plates or logos or titties, whatever sneak their way into your video. In my case, I shot this on vacation in Italy, and this seagull called Jack, he doesn't want to be in my video, so we are going to blur him out. First step is to create a new adjustment layer. Should have the same settings as your clip, and drag and drop it above your clip. Just stretch it out. Like that, select it, and go to the Effect Controls tab. Now we can decide between a round mask, a square mask and a freestyle mask. I would recommend the square mask for like license plates, but for faces and other things such as seagulls we can use the round mask. Now just adjust it to the size of your object you want to blur out, like this. Should fit pretty neatly, but just a bit bigger than the object you want to blur. And also remember to set a key point on your mask path at the beginning of the clip. So in step 2 we are going to track the mask. We have two ways of doing so, either track it automatically or by ourselves. First of all, the easier and simpler and faster way is probably tracking the selected mask automatically. Just go on this play button here and it's going to track your mask frame for frame for frame by itself. It can work, and if you have a lot of footage it's working pretty well. And it's faster and everything, but sometimes it just doesn't want to work out that well. So we have the second way of doing it ourselves. Now how does it work? You just set a keyframe and then you want to go frame for frame. By the way, if you lose your mask, just click on your mask over there. And then you want to adjust the position of your mask on top of your object again. Go a couple of frames, adjust your mask. Go a couple of frames, adjust your mask. In my opinion this works the best, but it also takes the longest time, so if you have loads and loads of footage it might not be the fastest way, and it's probably quicker to just do it automatically. Now this is gonna take some time. Now once you are done, which honestly can take ages depending on your computer and your video quality, there's a last step to do, which is search for blur in the effects window and choose the fast blur. Drop it onto your adjustment layer, and now you can just select the amount of blurriness you want on your object, which always depends on your taste and your project honestly, but I will just go with like, let's take 80. Also you can smoothen the edges, like blend it a bit, the mask and the surrounding video. You can go for the feather. As you can see, I will go with for about, let's take 20, 21, 20. Now you can also play with the mask expansion a little bit if you want. You can make it bigger or smaller. However, it's just your kind of taste and whatever you want to do for your project. I'm just gonna go with 5. And now, as you can see, he's blurred wonderfully, and nobody's gonna know that he went to the beach when he called in sick that day. I hope it helps you. If you have any feedback or questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.